Hi, this video is about fixing the current letter grade calculation for Moodle, and this applies to our high school teachers in particular. Now, Moodle is set up with the high school grading scale by default, but it appears that many of the classes have overridden the grades, whether intentionally or unintentionally, and I think it's unintentional when it did the upgrade. So the letters aren't showing right. So this is on how to fix that. So if you go to grades and you go to letters, you will see that currently this is not correct. This is actually pretty old because a B minus starts at 80 now, not at 82.5. So, and you see up here on the side it says the grade letters are currently overridden, which means that even though Moodle's right, this class, my class, is wrong. So to fix that, I just click Edit Letter Grades, and I uncheck where it says Override Site Defaults, because the site defaults are ours, and hit Save Changes. And then you see now a B minus is at 80% and the scale is correct. Now, they should be overridden in middle school classes because it's far easier to put those 4 grades in there than it is for high school teachers. So the default is the high school scale, and then in individual classes they should not be overridden in the high school, but in the middle school they should be overridden to show the current middle school scale. So in the case of a middle school class, your grade should look something like this. In other words, if they're above 79.5, they're going to show as a B. If they're above 89.5, they're going to show as an A. And these are overridden, but that is correct for this particular course because they should be overridden as those grades. And that's it for setting your scales in Moodle.